umbrella. May I go on it? May I go on 2 weeks? 2 weeks we need for here. Where the little boy there now? 2 weeks. Today what date? 2 weeks the night. May I go until the 29th for come clean. If every picture I put out, pick me out of picnic because Jayden is a child too. And I need to stop it. And I need to stop the lying and come clean and tell me what Jayden Smith there. On over there, I give wishy-washy itinerary. What itinerary can do. Them a body we need. We need for bury Jayden. We need Jayden Smith, and may I give one on the time to come out and make the people that know what happened to Jayden Smith. Because Jamaica got turned up because, let me tell you something, the police them don't want to do them job and get justice for Jayden. Well, we are going to do the job now for Uno. Because people send a picture of them. Uno too evil. Uno too evil. Uno too evil. And Marie, you know exactly what happened to Jayden Smith. And you know, say it wasn't a stranger Jayden give the umbrella. Jayden give it to Junior stepdaughter. Junior daughter will live next door. Junior and Jayden. Junior daughter and Jayden go to primary school, then them go to the same school. Uno too evil. Uno too evil. Uno have to stop it. Stop it and push out the little baby. Push him out. Push out Jayden Smith. They're going to do this. 2 weeks. I'm not going to 72 hours. I'm going to one time to think about this. Think about when one. Because it's why I put out the picture. I not come back out here. I just push out everything. I'm tired of this headache. I'm tired of the going around. Me is not no damn detective. You understand? I'm tired of the going around and my headache and this. Right now, I have the evidence. I'm going to just push it out. Because if the police tell me that do them job, they would have get this. Just like how them send the picture to me. But I'm just tired of the foolishness with the other. Tired of it. Tired of it, Junior. You have a daughter to protect. Protect your daughter and do the right thing. And come clean and tell us who get why you never come and tell us say your daughter get the umbrella. Come clean. You have your daughter to protect. You claim say you're afraid of the family. So I'm not going to put out you for your daughter get the problem. But come out and talk the truth, man. Go and talk the damn truth. Your daughter will protect. And your only reason why I'm going to put it out tonight and tomorrow. Your daughter. We have a 13-year-old child who have to think, we have to be a mother. We have to think like a mother. That's the only reason why we not put it out. People say put it out. No, you cannot do stuff like that when a child is involved. You have to use wisdom. Make Junior come out and talk the truth. You need to do it for your daughter. Come out and talk the truth, or else the picture coming out. Junior, come out and talk the truth. Come out and talk the truth. Your daughter who get Jayden Smith umbrella. We have all our name. Your daughter who get the umbrella. The mother got talk about listen to the wicked woman. Listen to the wicked woman.
We literally thinking as a parent now, right? Mm-hmm. Do you look at that as being smart to give away the umbrella when you came home a couple of days ago wet up?
No.
Okay.
Because I even spoke to that child.
Yeah.
When he said that the father called me and said that the child came over with Jayden umbrella. So I asked the father to let me speak to the child, and he allowed me to speak to the child. I asked him, did you bring home Jayden umbrella? He said yes. I said, why did Jayden give you the umbrella? And then the rain was still falling. He said that Jayden said he was waiting on somebody.
Okay.
Jayden left there at 3:49 because I was there to watch all the footage with the detective. Jayden left the little Caesar at 3:49. That was the last time the camera pick him up. 3:49.
That was the big girl saying one coming out the box.
3:49.
On the ear for herself. On the ear. The little boy where she claimed because she says she and then him. It was Junior daughter. Junior, your daughter give you the umbrella and you can't go give the woman the same evening. Junior, what make you lie a wicked sir? Anne-Marie make you lie a wicked sir. Eh? But I couldn't lie and wicked so I know said the little boy out there something happened to the little boy. But I couldn't lie and wicked so for big people. Eh? Wanna do something to the little boy and on the round that that's a lie. Would never know so no lie would I catch up part uno. But I couldn't lie and wicked so. Then don't give the little idiot boy itinerary where we have the evidence. But I couldn't lie and wicked so. Eh? But I couldn't lie and wicked, sir, Anne-Marie. Anne-Marie, you know, say the Junior daughter get the umbrella. Your next door neighbor. When make you not come out and they talk the truth? Eh? What did I cost you if you just come out and talk the truth? No, because you do something to Jayden Smith. So that's why you come out and lie. But may I ask you to come out and talk the truth to them? Because you see, if nobody can find Jayden, everybody are gonna get in that shit now. Because everything I push out. Call Ush police. Call Ush police. Call Ush police. Police don't close case. Call Ush police. You gotta call police, the lady. Police, evidence of the pop all over for police to work. Call us police. The police are do work for people down there. Eh? Me police I look how we get this. Me I don't know police, we know about police work, I look how we get this. Them that do them work, them would get it. Lady, go from here, sir. Call us police. Call us police. Police care about Jayden. 7 months him gone. And who you see out there care about Jayden? Internet. You see police care about Jayden Smith? Eh? Eh? Why 2 weeks? Ask yourself if you know what is a minor. You know what is a minor child? To push her out there like that. You know what is a minor child? Eh? You know what is a child? Eh? You think somebody happy just want to push off for her the baby, the little girl? You think we want something else happen to somebody else's child? We could have pushed this out right now, but we can't do it because of the little girl. Cannot do it. You understand? A child is involved. You understand? A child is involved in this. You understand? Junior, the father need to come and talk the truth. Him and Anne-Marie. Them owe us that to come talk the damn truth. You understand? Them owe us that to come talk the truth because now I have this in my hand. Them need to come and talk the truth. Junior daughter got the thing. The umbrella. It need to come out and talk the damn truth and stop beat round the bush. Yes, that's why the woman will buy you present and these things because your daughter get the umbrella. Stop it, Junior. You need to come clean. You hear what Junior said? When Jayden was alive, you hear the whole of them know what happened to Jayden Smith. But me I go on until 2 weeks to 29th. Everything I come out. Everything I push out. Because I make a photocopy them big. Serious about it, man. Everything I push out. Everything.
We literally thinking as a parent now, right? Mm-hmm. Do you look at that as being smart to give away the umbrella when you came home a couple of days ago with up?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Because I even spoke to that child. When he said that the father called me and said that the child came over with Jayden umbrella. So I asked the father to let me speak to the child, and he allowed me to speak to the child. I asked him, did you bring home Jayden umbrella? He said yes. I said, why did Jayden give you the umbrella? And then the rain was still falling. He said that Jayden said he was waiting on somebody.
Okay.
Jayden left there at 3:49 because I was there to watch all the footage with the detective. Jayden left the little Caesar at 3:49. That was the last time the camera picked him up. 3:49.
Of course, the big girl saying one coming out the box.
Listen, Junior, you hear me? I call you, Junior. I'm putting out your picture again. Come out and tell us the damn truth. May I ask if you come out and tell us the truth, because Anne-Marie lied to us. You understand? Anne-Marie lied to us. And Jayden Smith now go so. You understand? Everything I come out, everything I bust out now. Everything I bust out now. Everything I bust out now. On the need for come and tell us the truth. You and Anne-Marie. Anne-Marie, you do something to Jayden. You, T, all of you do something to Jayden. None of you not innocent. Because you could have come out and said, listen, the next door neighbor, daughter, give me the umbrella. Because Jayden, whatever. You never come out and say that. You act as if it's a total stranger. Jayden give the umbrella to. When you know, say the next door neighbor, Junior daughter get the umbrella. So Junior, you the pooper. Him had the pooper, your people go to him. Yeah, them have something down there, hide. Yes, see me. See me. Film daughter get the umbrella. See them here. Yes. She never have to go nowhere. She never have to go nowhere and call nobody. Them give her the umbrella. But Jayden is not here. Them get the umbrella, but Jayden is gone. Because the all of them do something with Jayden. The all of them do something to Jayden. But me, I gonna tell you something, Junior. Because you not have much sense in your head. See him like how them do something to Jayden Smith. I see him so them will do something to your daughter. You's a damn idiot if you sit down and keep that. You's a damn fool if you sit down and keep that. You have your daughter them for protect. And you sit down there and know say them people they arm pitney. And you sit down there and I cover that up. Listen, you see the same knife for stick that can stick goat, sheep and everything. Junior, you's a damn idiot. You's a damn fool. If you sit down there and know say them people that do something to Jayden before you come out and make your voice be heard. You understand? You're over there and keep it up. Listen, Junior, you's a damn idiot. Anything happen to your daughter and you cause it. Cause you sit down there and know say the woman and the whole family them is all wicked. And you sit down under that and you know truth and won't go talk truth. Get up off of your ass and go find police. Something and make them know say you get the umbrella and your daughter. Listen, this is gonna restrict me already. Go ahead and restrict me. Restrict me more and more. 2 restriction. 2. Anytime come out here talk the truth. Wanna restrict me, wanna report my page. Wanna continue. Continue report my page. Continue because I have the remedy. Wait no man. Wanna continue report my page. I report my page twice. See that? I'm gonna show this that I reported twice because we not hide nothing from you. Nothing we not hide twice. And you know why I don't report the page. Anytime guilt, anytime people. No. If you never guilty, you know that I report the page. See that? 2 restrictions. See them here? 2 me get. 2 me get under my skin. Yeah. So you know, say tomorrow night me now go come on. till me fix it. Yeah. Uno can't stop justice a come for Jayden. Take a joke. Yeah, me go play out a song, man. Justice a come for Jayden. Wanna do it all the time. Wanna report my page. Take a one time wanna report my page. You understand? Junior need to come out and tell me why he might keep the secret. Same daughter of the umbrella. You understand? And if them do something to Jayden, Junior, do you think them afraid for do something to your daughter? You's an idiot. You go talk about say your daughter scared. You understand? When my producer send the video for me now. Yahuwah, send the video where Junior say I'm scared. Send the video. Because me not playing no game, me put out everything. You're scared for your daughter have to take taxi to and from. Eh? That for sure you say you know say the people them are wicked and you hold on upon the evidence there. Look how long you hold on upon the evidence. Look how long you hold on upon the evidence. And you know say your daughter get the umbrella for Jayden Smith. Police now do nothing in no case for Jayden. Police don't want to solve Jayden case. Police don't want to solve Jayden case. Police want to sweep Jayden case under the rug. You understand? But the family them better come out, come talk. If everything pop out over here. I just want to see it, you know, because it's a child, you know. It's if I did a grown ass person, I pull it out long time. I push it out and not give a damn. But it's the truth, it's a child. You see? You say, you, Junior. Yeah, tell you, Junior. I want to continue to report my page. I'm going to come off of this tonight, you know. I'm going to come off and you can have my page. You can name it. You understand? But I'm telling you something. You better push out Jayden Smith. That's all me have leave with you, know. A word of advice. Push out Jayden Smith. Everybody I go out here. Everything I go out here. Because when the person send them to me, she send them for me to put them out. You understand? She said she tired of the lying down there. You understand? I don't know who, as somebody with all I want to know. Somebody with every single one I want to know, but you can't know who tell me this. And I one thing I like with her, she not give word of mouth. Them not give word of mouth. It's picture them send. Listen,